I started my journey with a desire to change careers and felt God was leading me to pursue a career in teaching. After completing a Bachelor of Science degree in Human Development at Hope International University, I began looking for a credential program. After looking at several different schools, I decided on a combination credential and master's degree program at Azusa Pacific University. I chose the Digital Teaching and Learning Master's program so that I could learn more about technology, enhance my technology and presentation skills, and be able to teach my students to use that same technology. While I was in the master's program, I learned that in the area of technology, there are several tools available for teachers to meet the needs of today's digital native students. I learned to create and edit videos that will enhance learning by making it more motivational and engaging for them while learning the curriculum. I learned how to make a web quest where students can learn about a specific topic in detail by researching various websites through links posted on that web quest. This can be used in a learning center that takes students on a journey through various topics learned in subjects such as science or social studies. In this program, I also discovered several great educational apps that can be used by students when using their iPads. I also learned to create a website for my own classroom to communicate and interact with students and parents outside of the classroom. I learned to create a Wordle, which can be used by students in various applications. Using a Wordle, they can see the most commonly used terms and the most frequently used adjectives from documents read or from students' responses to a survey. I learned about Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. His theory described how each student has an individual makeup of various intelligences. Technology can be used in my presentations to meet the needs of students with these intelligences once they are identified. Bloom's taxonomy is incorporated with various multiple intelligences to plan customized lessons for students. Good health and physical fitness have always been important to me, but due to my busy schedule, I've not been able to exercise as often as I wanted to. Because of this, I chose frequency of my exercise routine as the topic of my action research project. My goal was to increase the amount of cardiovascular workouts to a minimum of 4 times per week, and to perform weight circuit training sessions for a minimum of twice per week. I already have a membership at a gym, which has several different types of cardiovascular exercise machines and a weight circuit training center that will work perfectly for this project. For the cardiovascular exercises, I used elliptical machines and stationary bicycle. For the weight circuit training, there are 8 machines that target different muscle groups of the body that I used. I recorded data about my workouts on a spreadsheet for each week and each type of exercise that I performed. Once I completed my 4 weeks of workout routines, I graphed the results of frequency of my exercise and how much I increased in weights used during the weight circuit training. This project has been a very worthwhile and successful endeavor. In cardiovascular exercise, I exceeded my goals halfway through the 4-week period by working out 5 times per week. In the weight circuit training, I met my goals for frequency and increased the amount of weights used in some of my exercises. As a result, I felt an increase in my energy level, muscle strength, stamina, loss of weight, and an overall feeling of well-being. I also learned that having a goal and an exercise plan helped motivate me to stay on track with being successful in achieving my exercise goals. In addition, I experienced firsthand the benefits of working out with my husband, and this made this experience more enjoyable and less like a chore. This experience has inspired me to continue exercising on a consistent basis, and having this plan in my schedule will enable me to remain successful in doing this.